Hey guys, I want to share with you a quick tip. I run in my van, I run the bott Smartvan racking system, shelving and racking system. And you know, they come with drawers and different kind of components that you screw into these racks, and different size drawers. This is the really large one, this is the really small one. This could be a tip for any van racking system though. So I just want to show you, bott ships you their drawers, and every drawer comes with this rubber. And what I found is, you know, I place it in here and I start moving tools around and it just kind of gets all kind of messed up. So let me show you my trick. It's basically just use some 3M Super 77 adhesive and you glue it in, and it works amazing. And why I like this is it helps keep things from rattling. It helps keep things from sliding around. Let me show you how I do it. Super easy. Like I said before, you can buy rubber sheeting like this at different supply stores. So first thing is, I kind of clean out the debris, blow it out with a blower, whatever you got to do to clean it out. The rubber itself pretty much sticks to the whole flat. I want to pay attention to the perimeter. I'm going to use the Super 77 multi-purpose spray. I'm going to spray the whole bottom, but I'm going to pay attention to the edges. Nice. I'm going to start by folding this in half. Okay, I'm going to fold this in half. Put this on the end. There. Put it down. Flatten it out. You have a little bit of working time with this. It doesn't dry that fast. And that's it. Ready for whatever I put in it. It'll help prevent it from sliding around and hopefully be less noise too. So I have the rubber in a couple of my drawers. I've got one down there I have to add. I've got rubber in the bottom of here. That makes noise. I need to add rubber on those three shelves, 1, 2, 3. And then I've got 2 shelves here with the batteries in them and some nails in them that I actually it's 3 shelves there that I should add to. So the drawers also, bott Smartvan also gives these drawers that have rubber on them as well. And you know, if it's loaded with a bunch of stuff, it's no big deal. But if you're taking things in and out, then you might want to consider spraying it in. Hope you enjoyed the tip, guys.